It is an arena of risky play.
We invite the kids and the adults in, we set them up with the task of building us the places that stories happen in. They use all the stuff to build these worlds.
This show aims to give kids agency. It aims to allow them to have their ideas realised without too much adult infiltration in that. It allows them to really just say, I want to build a marshmallow iceberg, and then we say, great.
It's just really nice to know it's going to be completely different every time. Different objects, different items, different locations.
There's something really satisfying about presenting an abstract pile of stuff.
Getting them to be led by the materials and by what's in front of them.
Right now, risk is being taken out of play. Safe play spaces where there's no loose parts, there's no real creative engagement with play. Like no new synapses are formed when you've got a thing that's already been made. And play is about engaging and lifting and building and creating worlds imaginatively.
And what starts off as looking like a crazy junkyard becomes this magical kingdom.
And then we use everything they've built to improvise a story with our team of 5 improvising superheroes.
The hero paper bag girl is really courageous. I think there's an overall lesson about not being afraid of things and giving everything a try.
The creation of a story, there's something really nice about when they're woven together, and because that's literally what's happening with the show, is everything's being created simultaneously as it goes along, which is really exciting.
It's all new, it's all made up on the spot.
Every time, seat of the pants.
So it's risky for us and it's risky for them.
I suppose this is like one of the most brave, exciting projects I think I've been part of, and it's such a pleasure to see kids being treated in a way where they have agency over what they get to do.
Loved it, really loved it.
I like the characters.
They've done live theatre at its very best, and the fact that the children actually made it.
I like how you can make anything you want in your life.
They totally encourage ingenuity.
Bad to have loads of stuff. Like doing Lego but more fun.